Brian's got down here is called the heat wave impact. In other words, there's a heat wave coming across the nation right now. Uh, surprise, surprise, it gets hot in the summer. But depending on, we actually track even cooling degree days, and we look at those and say, okay, what is happening here that's going to cause the price of natural gas to either go up or down in a short term period of maybe even just 2 weeks, uh, and see what that looks like. And so when Brian and I look at things, we look at the heat wave impact to see how much is that having on, how much of the is that weighted toward on the price of gas. And so in Rogue Radar, when he brings this out, you see right down here where it's heat wave impact, it talks about the weather. We actually have, would you call Brendan on staff? We have a meteorologist that's working with us.
Yeah,
Uh,
if you
and
haven't if you haven't watched some of our live streams, we just did one a couple weeks ago with Brendan, where we talked about the July heat dome and whether or
it was
not
last
that's going to
week.
be fact or fiction. Yeah. So keeping on top of this, this changes every single hour and every single day, and so we're not going to go into the details of what this impact is, but to give you an idea, power demand, which typically runs $20 to $40 per megawatt hour, because of a heat increase, went up to $1,100 per megawatt. And that has a large impact on gas demand. Like I said, this is one of the factors. And if you want to condense this to a key area where you have a back of the envelope idea of supply, demand, imports, exports, storage, all of it is right here with Rogue Radar.